Old leather tells a story. Let's help this vintage Coach keychain shine again. First, we're giving it a deep clean with saddle soap, lifting off years of dirt, oils, and grime. Next up, conditioning with leather CPR to bring back softness and moisture. Now I'm lightly filing the edges of the ring with a nail block to smooth out wear. For the hardware, Brasso takes it from dull to dazzling. A little polish goes a long way. From worn out to wow, this Coach keychain's ready for a whole new chapter.